Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today we can go through a wonderful play, Listen to the Mountain, written by Kaveri Nambishan. So first of all, let's have a look on the author, Kaveri Nambishan. Kaveri Nambishan, an Indian novelist, was born in Pangala village in South Kodak, Karnataka, in a family of politicians. She studied medicine in St. John's Medical College, Bangalore, and at the University of Liverpool, England. Nambishan's story, Dr. Sad and the Power Lunch, was joined runner up in the third Outlook Picard non-fiction contest in 2003. The story that must not be told was shortlisted for the DSC Prize for South Asian Literature in 2012 as well as the Man Asian Literary Prize in 2008. She was elected Coorg Person of the Year in 2005. Nowadays, all are seriously discussing about ecological issues. Everybody is concerned about climate change, man-made hazards, natural calamities, etc. But unfortunately, most people are not conscious about their duties and responsibilities for the protection of this nature. This drama, Listen to the Mountain, will surely open your eyes and make you more aware about this nature, the protection of this nature. It highlights the unhealthy attitude of the young generation and the reaction of the older generation towards it. You might have heard about the natural calamities, not only in our Kerala but also all over the world. Actually, who is responsible for this? How does this kind of natural calamities happen? We are blessed with a green planet which is unique with natural resources. But what is the present situation? These natural resources are exploited. These are exploited in a careless and selfish manner. People are less concerned about the coming generation too. Are we not duty bound to protect our motherland, our mother earth? Now let's read a play highlighting these issues. What is the title of this lesson? Listen to the mountain. Okay, very good. What idea comes to your mind when you heard this title? Can you tell? Okay, first of all, let's familiarize the characters, the main characters of this drama. The important character is grandmother. Then Narayan, he is a school headmaster. Then Ramanna, a tea shop owner. Shastri Kannan Rudrappa, a village man. Then Sagar, a building contractor. And Dixit, millionaire industrialist. These are the important characters of this drama. Then next look where is the setting of this play. The play is set in a village. The background shows mountains, trees and a river depicting a natural countryside view. First and fourth scene and enacted in front of the curtain. The curtain rises for scenes 2, 3 and 5. Do you understand? Okay, the first and fourth scene enacted in front of the curtain. But the other scenes held after raising the curtain. Now let's go through the first scene. So all of you carefully listen. Grandmother appears from stage right, hobbles to the center in front of the curtain and speaks to the audience in a slow, deliberate voice. Okay, we told grandmother is an important character in this play. When in the first scene that enacted in front of the curtain, and grandmother appeared from stage right, hobbles to the center. Hobbles means walk with difficulty in front of the curtain and speaks to the audience in a slow and deliberate voice. Deliberate means carefully. Then grandmother. I am a great grandmother. I was born at the turn of century when there were no motor cars, no earphones, no television, no movies, and much less noise. Then she paused her voice. I was born here, grew up, married, had my children, grandchildren, and great grandchildren. I have lived here all my life, here in this village, on the slopes of Dhaumagiri. The river, trees, flowers, birds, and animals are all my friends. I have had a tough life, but a happy one. Again, pause. Now I am almost 90. My grandson Narayan is a school headmaster. He came to me with the most shocking news. Shall I tell you about it? Wait, I think you better see what actually happened. She hobbles off the stage. Then enter Narayan from one side of the stage and Sagar from the other. They meet center stage and greet each other. Who are the other characters? Narayan and Sagar. Both of them coming in different sides of the stage. Then they meet at the center of the stage and greet each other. Narayan, welcome to our village. I am the school headmaster. Sagar from Bangalore. Pleased to meet you. Narayan, will you join me for a cup of tea, Mr. Sagar? Narayan's tea shop is just across the road. Please come. Sagar, thank you. They live together. Okay, dears, this is the first scene of our play. Listen to the mountain. Here, grandmother introduces something about her village. Can you identify the name of her village? Yes, very good. Dharmagiri. Dharmagiri is the village of our grandmother. Then now, what is the age of grandmother? Can you get it? Okay. Then who is Narayan? Narayan is the grandson of grandmother. Then what is his profession? He is the school headmaster. Okay. Then what does the grandmother says about her past? Okay. You write these points to your English notebook and don't forget to take down the profile of Kaveri Nambishan. Okay, let's continue the play in the next English class. Thank you all.